Hello guys. Hello guys. Welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna be talking about uh a true breakout. Uh, you know, there are traders called breakout traders, and they only trade breakouts in the market. So in this video, we're going to be covering all about breakout using a pattern called the cup handle pattern. So you just want to forget about the name of the pattern and you just want to see how the breakout works and how you want to mitigate some risk other traders are making. Okay, while using this pattern to trade and all that. So let's get down to what we have. So I think I saw that pattern around here. So I want to show you this pattern. Okay, exactly. Look at the pattern here. So this is called the cup handle, or should I come down a bit? So this is called the cup handle pattern. Let me just show you something. Uh, okay. Uh, to see something around here. Okay, let's see here. Okay, okay. Let's see. Uh, this should be our handle. This is like our handle here. So, like our handle around here. Okay, so this is like our cup pattern. Uh, I want you to take note of something very vital around here. Very vital. So I want you to take note of something around this pattern. I don't know why. Let's just see if it's not really working the way I want it. Okay, I want you to take note of something. You could see the smooth curve here around this forming this cup pattern here. You could see the retracement back up. Okay, you could see what happened around here, and so this could either come after this smooth curve, this retracement, or it comes around it. It either indicates it basically is a bullish pattern or a bullish signal for when once the pattern is discovered. But there's more to it than just assuming it to be a bullish pattern. So there are some certain things you want to check out. Okay, so let us So after the cup handle has been formed, so a lot of things are going to happen, which is uh, a period called a consolidation, or let's say a sideways movement is going to occur a lot in the market. You want to see, or you're going to experience a lot of a lot of sideways movement after the cup handle or and the cup has been formed. You're going to experience a lot of sideways movement. Okay, I'm going to show you a bit. During this sideways movement, we want to look out for it, or use it to guess or speculate if it's gonna be a bullish movement or a bullish pattern, or it's gonna, you know go against speculation, or that's it's gonna be bearish. So let's see what we look out for. uh, so you could see what's it called, the period of consolidation. uh you could see how it was just moving sideways in a long time, like a lot of time, man. It's looking I'm going to show you another pattern, just like core pattern, with similar uh sideways movement after the cup handle is formed. And remember using 4 hours, and you want to use 4 hours and longer time frame when you're using these patterns. They normally form or work better, predict more better when using a higher time frame, right? So we're gonna mark a period of consolidation. I want to see something. Uh, oh, I want to see something. So you want to look out for this sideways movement we'll be talking about, meaning the consolidation uh movement. And you want to make sure you understand how it works. And so like you want to know that this sideways movement could also be known as uh the what's it called, accumulation uh type of period. Yeah, yeah, this could be the period where uh the buyers are accumulating, and with time is gonna push the market. So I want to do something. So this could be the period in which we're talking about. Okay, so I think here to here is our sideways movement around here. Okay, so there's something you want to note around here. Yeah, so there's a lot of sideways movement around here. Okay, so I'm gonna expand this in a bit, but before I expand it, I want you to take closer look at the volume around here. So for the first time around this level, you could see that this is the first time the volume are climbing above the average volume line here. So and they are bearish volume expansion there. So you want to check out for these bearish uh, expansion. Okay, I think this is the one you want to even take note of more. much more because of the high expansion. You want to take note of very high volume expansion, which sometimes bullish, but most times you want to take note if it is bearish. Okay, so uh, now now you want to make sure after seeing this, okay, after seeing this bearish expansion from the volume, you're gonna see a lot of expansion from the volume. I mean, above the average volume. Talking about the volume candle. Okay, I'm gonna expand this in a bit. So you're gonna be seeing let's say you're gonna be seeing a lot of okay, now we're back. I think it's clear, visible enough. So, let's see something. Um, okay, so look at what I'm talking about here. You could see our sideways movement here was a bit of accumulation, people selling and buyers buying, and okay, though we could have added this to our accumulation period, but I think this is the only sideways movement we had around here. So you want to look out for, you could see that in a long time there was no aside this what's it called, the expansion from the volume around this zone. You could see that there was no expansion uh, from the volume again from this sideways or consolidation movement around here. So and what we had was uh, 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 look at, notice this candle here, notice how this candle pushed a lot of or expanded this our volume here to a height in which was is should I say higher than every other volume, like forever, the expansion was massive. So this thing or this expansion from this bearish volume or candle expansion here, this is something you want to take note of, or this is an indication or a signal or something you want to grab. Okay, grab hold of it. You want to just hold it. Okay, uh is something unique to us. Okay, so you want to look out, and you see that afterwards the volume then has been or have been climbing above the average volume line like all the time, like it barely goes uh beyond or below the average volume. You will see a lot of height above the average volume around here. We see a lot of them, and we see a lot of them. So this is something you want to take note of here. This expansion here. So all this being put in place. Now there's one thing I want you to take note of. Okay, or I want you to do. Wait for this. This now becomes our resistance level, right? This right here becomes our resistance level. So I want you to wait until our resistance level becomes our new support level. Uh, until that happens, you don't want to enter this trade. We know this pattern is bullish, is a bullish pattern, but we don't want to enter the trade just because we saw the pattern. Okay, just because we have confirmed the pattern. No, we want to enter the trade after you know confirming this sideways movement around here. Uh, making sure our resistance level around here turns into a support level. So now our resistance becomes our new support level, and we saw a support level around here. And let's. Oh, I wonder why mine is it my network or what? I've been trying. So the sideways movement continued. If you notice. So let's see something around here. If you notice, there's something uh just here. It continued. If you notice, so you could see what has been happening for over a while now. You could see what has been happening, and after the sideways movement, I think we might add this to our sideways movement because it is just though I think we had like a push back, a push around here, push down here, and before it gets down back up. But there was a lot of side movement around there, so still this is our support level and that is our resistance level. So we want to make sure our resistance level turns to a support level before we enter the straight. So let's look out for uh new resistance level. Okay, I don't know what to do, so I just have to. I wanted to let me do this. Okay, it's gonna be worth it because I think I just leave this or delete this out of here. And now this is what I'm talking about. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Yep, yep. So you can see okay, what am I? Okay, let me just do this. Uh, let me do this like okay, okay. Let's see. This is our resistance level. Okay, so our resistance level has been broken around here, around this level. So you could see what happened around there. So now our resistance level turned. Now we saw a rise, and afterwards we have been seeing a rise in the volume expansion. We've been seeing so much expansion, and because of so much expansion we've been seeing around this zone, we want to make sure or want to look in closely and see where our new support or new resistance will be formed. And I think our new resistance started around here, and now this becomes our new support level, and here becomes our new resistance level. So remember how what we are looking for. Okay, so we want we've seen that our previous resistance level now has become our new support level. And looking at the way things are right now, you could see this is our new resistance around here, around this level. And this is our new resistance around here. I wonder why it's not drawing. So this is our new resistance around here. Okay. Yeah, here. So that is our new resistance, but we're not gonna enter into this trade because of our new resistance is formed. Rather, we want to use you will see a lot of the 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 expansion from the average volume is very high now because of our new resistance formed. So we wanna now now we have seen our previous support level turn into uh previous resistance level turn into support level, new resistance level form. So what we want to do now is get our EMA. Uh, okay, we want to look out for where our EMA will fall in. So we're using 50 EMA. So the exact match or exact what's it called? Exact support level of our EMA will be our entry point. Okay, it will be our entry level. So our EMA gave us a perfect support here at the 30 3000 3036 level here, and so we'll be entering this trade around this level here. Okay, uh what's it called? And let me see. Okay, yeah, we'll be entering this trade here, so our entry will be around here. Okay, our entry will be around here because the EMA says so. Okay, I'll be giving a quick guide on EMA. I don't know if it is this video or I should just do it. I don't want this video to get too long, so I'll just do it in the next video. So you can see now this is where our support level the EMA gave us uh to enter here. So we'll be entering here. So once our new resistance is formed, so we want to use the new with the EMA indicator to find our entry point or entry level, which basically is where the exact EMA line passes through as support. So this is exactly where we want to enter our trade. Okay, so it's a perfect support at 50 EMA. So I wanted to show you something. I wanted to show you something previously. Uh, okay, I wanted to show you something previously on uh, on this same cop pattern and what happened. I was trading it sometime. Uh, I was trading it sometime, and I had to wait for. I'm still waiting for what I just showed you to happen. I just want this to just load up and so I show you what I'm talking about. It's quite taking some time, which is very not good, not nice. Okay, okay, here we are. Uh, I just use the theta. Okay, okay, exactly. So I'll just trading it. Though I haven't entered the trade yet, okay, and I think our EMA is still working. And look at what I'm trying to show you here. Look at something. So you could see in our sideways movement around here, there is no expansion on the volume yet. It's just little out of the average volume, but there is no massive like enough expansion. So look at wait, our cup is formed. Okay, our cup is formed. Yeah. Okay, but now the next thing we're going to see was a sideways movement. Let's use this and to figure out our sideways movement. So our sideways movement will go will continue until uh, go. Okay, so our sideways movement should continue until these are here. These are the resistance level around here becomes a support level. So once it becomes a support level, our new resistance forms, making to make it our new support level. Then we want to the EMA now. This 50 EMA is gonna give us a greater or a better guide or a better, it will give us a clear support level where we're going to enter the trade. Is that nice for you, or is it confusing for you? So once it gives us that perfect support level, then we enter the trade, and I'll show you the result in a bit. But I just want to show you this, and so that you just understand that trading is patience, and you want to wait for your whole uh, setup or your whole formation to come into being. Okay,